I'm going to be exploring with Atlas for the first time, and I'm going to try to vlog the whole thing. I've been working on this bus for like 3 years. This is going to be the first time that I fully utilize it in a close to complete form. I'm going to be traveling to Tobermory, my favorite place in Ontario. I'm going to be putting Atlas onto a boat and ferrying it across the Great Lake, and then I'm going to drive it all the way around the other side of Georgian Bay and show you some really nice spots that I know of. So follow along. For the first leg of the journey, we're going to be traveling from Sudbury to Manitoulin Island. We're actually going to camp at what's called Goat Island. Manitoulin has a beautiful swing bridge, and Goat Island is on the opposite side of the main town. So we're going to be boondocking there. Cole is going to be rendezvousing with us. We're going to travel together, and that's going to be the first part of our journey. Good morning, YouTube. This is the spot. We are now on Goat Island, just before Manitoulin Island, and this place is beautiful. We took a risk last night parking right close to the water. We were gonna park up here on this hill, but we decided to take a risk with this loose gravel and park a 22,000-pound school bus right along the water. I actually hung the butt over the water for extra effect, and it was totally worth it in the morning when the sun rose and it gave you this beautiful shoreline to look at of the window. So today we are going to Tobermory. We're putting Atlas on a boat and we're going across the Great Lake from South Bay Mouth to Tobermory. So we gotta head across the island this morning to catch a 10 o'clock ferry. Let's go. Cole wasn't able to get a ticket for the first ferry across online, so we're gonna get there a bit early and try to get him a ticket in. So this bridge we're about to cross is a swing bridge because some boats, their masses and stuff, that can't get through, and this is a major waterway. This is called the North Channel. Manitoulin Island is one of the biggest islands on a freshwater lake. To get around the island is a huge chore for going the other side, so a lot of boats come through here to get on this side, and so it has to swing to let boats through. That's it, we're now on the island. So now we have to drive about an hour across to one of the southernmost tips to South Bay Mouth. So we have pulled up to port. We're in our own special lane because we're our own special vehicle. And the boat will be pulling up here when it arrives. People are loaded up, or kind of lined up. And we're here early. It's 9:25. They want us back in our vehicles for 10:30 to be ready to load up. I got our tickets here. So now we just wait. Cole is parked in this, what is this called? Like standby line up here. We're like second or third in line. Well, hopefully he gets in. He has his doubts, but I don't know. I think he'll make it. Oh, he's coming! Woo! Now I'm just gonna go turn the GoPro off on the roof. We can't stay in the boat during the trip, so we gotta make sure to bring everything we need and then go. It's pretty tight up here. Look who made it on the boat. So the trip is over. We're at Tobermory now, so we got to get in our vehicles and get ready to offload. Right now we're on standby on the boat because there's a helicopter on the ramp because I guess somebody's having a medical emergency, so we're all just on standby in here until the helicopter takes off. I'm only like 3 vehicles over. So we made it off the boat. We are now picking up our tickets for a glass bottom boat tour and to go to Flowerpot Island, which is like the crown jewel of Tobermory. We're leaving at 3:30 to go to the island. We're gonna do a tour, check out some shipwrecks in the harbor, and then it's gonna bring us to the island. YouTubers show their meal before they do things, and I wanna share my meal. Plain rice. Just plain rice and waffles.
Yeah.
Remember that last video where I said I was broke as hell? Plain rice, that's how we're doing the trip. They'll probably show you. We're going on a boat. Hey Kate, sing the boat song. Why? I'm going on a boat. I'm going on a boat. Is this what people do?
Maybe, I have no idea.
I don't know.
Lighthouse in the park, standing at 80 feet tall. No running water and no campfires out on the island. water on Castle Bluff, helping the kids abandoned. But in 1996, a group of volunteers called. But even though we like to call these flower pots, they are naturally occurring sea stacks formed over many years of Georgian Bay's aggressive weathering hammering at the cliff face.
So we just got off the boat and we are taking the path to the lighthouse. It's basically, there's like one main trail that goes from end to end of like the feasible park on the island. There's also a cave, and then there's a large pot and a small pot. But taking the boat and being at the drop-off point kind of brings up the fact there's so many people. It's such a tourist thing. I'm not a huge fan of like tourist traps, and I usually don't partake, but this one's such a good one. Like, there's a reason why everybody comes here. There's just so many people everywhere you look, everywhere you turn, screaming kids. The further away from the drop-off station we get, the better it will be. It's getting quieter already. Like, there's a couple. Is there anybody behind us?
No, not right
No,
now.
no one behind us. It's clearing up. How flower pots are made. You have a rock. You add water. It erodes. Parts start to come apart. The other part comes apart. Ta-da, you got a flower pot. How nice.
It's really nice.
And now there's absolutely nobody around us. Say cheese. Oh, gotcha. Once we get your tree.
Lighthouse first, tourist traps later.
As per
Yeah.
Adam.
Yeah, and all this shit, this is a waste of time right here. If you want to go around the backside of the island and see nothing, give her. I'm going to go check out the cool things.
You don't think the whole trail is a cool thing?
No, I've done it. It's not that great. It's okay. Have fun. If you got 2 hours to kill,
Go for
have
it.
at her.
Okay.
Look at how blue it is.
Oh, we've made it to the lighthouse. They've updated it to like a new style lighthouse. The old cool one, they decided to burn and push it into the lake in the 60s. So this is all we get. It's pretty modernized. Just got a regular light bulb in it. No candle or nothing. Watch out for that. It's not much of a house, more like a radio tower. It's not the most historical lighthouse ever. There's the new lighthouse, and where I'm standing is now a lookout, but this is the foundation of where there was the lightkeeper's house. It's gone, and now there's just a deck and a nice view. Beauty. Whoa. There's the poison ivy in the cracks.
Yes, that is poison ivy.
This is the calmest probably time of the day for people, and there's still so many people. But that outweighs the people. So cool. Gets to say he touched it. Video log number 1. I don't know how to do it. Do I just keep filming my friends? I don't know what to do. Do I hold the phone out and face to myself? It feels silly. Someone report back with answers. Thank you. Cole's investigating the phenomenon. I'm touching the phenomenon that they call a flower pot. Here is the phenomenon up close. Here it is from far. They've put concrete on the bottom so it doesn't fall over, I guess. So that's the end of us adventuring Flower Pot Island. We're gonna hop on the boat now and head back to Tobermory for more tomorrow. Had a guy come to our door this morning and ask, what the heck are we doing? Oh, the neighbors called bylaw on them because we camped illegally. Hey, Cole. Bye-bye. Yeah, I mean, these are kids. Holy shit, Kay, that's scaring me now a little.
This is fun.
Yeah, I just don't want to die. Bye-bye.